Everybody, welcome back to GoronGuyReacts. We're going to be reacting to the Monster Returns Halloween special from Simon's Cat. I don't think I've actually watched the original, the previous episode. Sorry. But yeah, Halloween is just inching nearer and nearer as we know it. Kind of wild to think about, not gonna lie. That also absolutely means that, throughout the start of November, I'm gonna have a ton of Halloween videos to watch because that's usually how it goes. I think that's what happened last year, but I just can't remember. Anyway, with all that small talk out of the way, let's actually get into it. I'm going to be talking over this, and if you guys don't like that and you haven't seen the original yet, then go do so. I'll be linking it in the description, so you guys can check it out for yourself, and that is pretty much it. I'm going to click play on this one in 3, 2, 1. Bam, the swatting. Cat blow raspberry. Oh. The reveal is already underway. They're gonna find a way to turn it on, obviously. Why would you? Why would you do this? Oh. I don't know what you'd call that. That is one powerful vacuum. That is one powerful vacuum. Are those real grapes? It's even making scary sounds, bro. And then it explodes. Yep. Poor Simon. He's just gonna walk in.
What was that noise?
That man is just in constant stress all the time. I hope he's in a better place soon. Anyway, that is it for the Monster Returns Halloween special from Simon's Cat. Again, I will link the original in the description so you guys can check it out for yourself. That is pretty much it. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.